Hello, I'm Dr. Amin. Let's talk about the tummy tuck, also known as abdominoplasty. This procedure is ideal for those seeking a flatter, toned abdomen. Excess skin and weak abs from weight changes, pregnancy, or aging can ruin your desired shape. A tummy tuck can help restore confidence by addressing these concerns. A tummy tuck removes excess skin and fat from the abdomen. It also tightens weakened or separated abdominal muscles. It results in a smoother, firmer, and more contoured appearance. This procedure can be tailored to your goals. It can address post-pregnancy changes, major weight loss, or age-related issues. During the procedure, I use general anesthesia to ensure your comfort. Safety is my priority. I take great care to create natural, balanced results while minimizing scarring. It can include a full tummy tuck, which addresses the entire abdomen. It depends on your needs. Or it can include a mini tummy tuck, which focuses on the lower abdomen. We'll determine the best approach during your consultation. A tummy tuck is more than just a cosmetic procedure. It often improves posture and core strength by tightening the abdominal muscles. For some patients, it can also reduce back pain and improve overall functionality. It's about enhancing your quality of life as well as your appearance. Recovery is a crucial part of the tummy tuck process. After surgery, you'll wear a compression garment. It will reduce swelling, support your abdomen, and help you heal. I will give detailed post-op care instructions. They will cover how to care for your incisions and when to take your medications. Walking as soon as possible after surgery is essential. It improves circulation, reduces the risk of blood clots, and supports overall healing. However, avoid strenuous activities and lifting over 10 pounds for at least 6 weeks. This allows your body to heal fully and minimizes the risk of complications. I recommend sleeping at a slight incline during recovery. It will reduce swelling and discomfort. Most patients can return to light activities and work in 2 to 4 weeks depending on their job. Full recovery, including a return to strenuous activities, may take up to 3 months. I'll guide you through every step to ensure a smooth recovery and optimal results. The results of a tummy tuck are long-lasting. By maintaining a stable weight and a healthy lifestyle, you can enjoy your new look for many years. Many patients find this procedure life-changing. It boosts their confidence and inspires healthier habits.